What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. And yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli, aka the Wing King, for another delicious and easy recipe. And guess what I got for you today? I'm gonna show you guys how to make hot wings. Yep, that's it, hot wings. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have some salt, honey, rice vinegar. I got seasoned rice vinegar. If you have regular rice vinegar, then that's fine. Some sriracha chili sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, the star of the show, our Publix green wise chicken wings. So these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients and cut and clean our chicken. Let me tell you what we have. Right here, I have a half a cup of sriracha chili sauce. Have 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken here. I have 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I have 4 garlic cloves minced, 4 teaspoons of sesame oil, and I have 1.5 teaspoons of pepper. So these are the ingredients, guys. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our hot sauce. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to start adding our ingredients into our cup with our sriracha chili sauce. So I'm gonna start with our minced garlic. Let's put our rice vinegar, our salt, soy sauce, add our pepper, our sesame oil, and lastly, our honey. And what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna give this a good mix, just to combine all the ingredients. All right, let's take a look at that. All right, guys, so let's move on to the next step. So guys, what I have here, I have about a cup of this hot sauce. So what I'm gonna do is I want to reserve about a half a cup of it. So I'm going to measure out me a half a cup right here. And I'm just going to add it to this bowl right here. All right, and I'm gonna move that to the side. And what we're gonna do now is bring our wings back into the picture. I've put them in a Ziploc bag. So what we're gonna do now is we're just going to pour the remaining of our hot wing sauce into our Ziploc bag. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna take the air out of it, seal it, and we're gonna refrigerate these for 1 hour, making sure we get all the wings coated. And 1 hour, you can do it overnight if you want to, but 1 hour is gonna be sufficient. I'll be right back in 1 hour. We'll continue with the recipe. All right, guys, so we are an hour in. I pulled our wings out of the refrigerator, so take a look at them, guys. Let's look inside of it real quick. Just need 1 hour. Take a look at that. Oh, man. Smells good. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Well, not get started. Let's go ahead and finish this recipe. I'll be right back. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let me get this thing on, and we're gonna put it on medium to medium high heat, and let's go ahead and get it up to temperature. Once it's up to temperature, we're gonna start dropping our chicken pieces into the pan. All right, so now we're gonna start adding our chicken pieces, and I'm gonna put them in here skin side down, and I'm putting them around the side because as much as I can, because the middle is very, very hot and they will cook unevenly if I put them, all of them in the middle. So I'm gonna try to get them around the side as much as possible. If you got an electric stove or cooktop, you just want to monitor the ones that's in the middle. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook these for about 12 to 15 minutes covered, and turning them every so often, all right? All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do now is, it's been 2 minutes, I'm gonna start turning them over, and we're gonna start cooking the other side. See that nice sear? Right, and turn this one over. And we're gonna cook these for, I'm gonna let these cook again. These cook on this side for another 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn them over again. Like I say, you wanna continue to get these bad babies turned over throughout the 15 minutes. All right, and again, guys, we're gonna turn these bad babies over. Like I say, you wanna continue doing this throughout the 15 minutes. You wanna make sure you got that char on it like that. And all right, guys, our 15 minutes is up. So let's take a look at it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start moving these bad babies around like this, uncovered. Just kind of move them around just to make sure they're really cooked through, just like that. And I'm gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to make sure. All right, guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to add our reserve sauce. Remember, we have this sauce reserved. So we're just gonna pour it here over our wings. And we're gonna turn the heat up to around a medium high. And we're gonna cook these bad babies and constantly stir them until all the sauce has reduced. All right, guys, take a look at this, man. I like mine well charred like that. We got that sauce reduced, cooked into. So I'm gonna get these bad babies off of the, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna get them over into a plate and I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. Delicious hot wings. Now, when I think of hot wings, this is what I think about right here. This is an excellent recipe for those who just love some good, spicy hot wings. This is it. So if you need the measurements and ingredients, it's all in the video description below, along with the links. If you don't have any of these items in your kitchen, you can order them from Amazon. Again, I always like to thank everybody for supporting the channel by purchasing through Amazon and also with that All Wings Everything merch. And guys, you know we're not gonna talk too much. We're gonna go ahead and get into what I like to call quality control. So let's go ahead, let's do this taste test. All right, so it's quality control time. Oh man, man, this looks so good. Look at that. Let's get that. Oh man, that looks delicious. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bite into one of them. I love me a drum, guys. I love a drum. God, this sauce is delicious. And it's juicy. God, this is some good stuff. I'm gonna try one of them flats. For all my people that love the flats, I'll try one of them. This is so good. And until then, I can't even say it, it's so good. Until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.